Hey there, this is Jack from the Clear Voice English channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to talk about yourself in English. You know, respond to that really common question. Tell me about yourself. I'm going to use my conversation with my friend Paul to show you how. So let's get right into it. We're here at the gym. We just finished our workout and now we're going to go get some food. Hey Paul, nice to see you again. How are you? Hi Jack, I'm great. I just finished my workout. Yeah, me too. I'm actually on my way to get something to eat. Oh really? Where are you going? I'm going to a restaurant near here. Do you want to come with me? Sure, I'd like that. Let's go. Okay, so when you meet someone new, one of the most common questions you will hear is, what's your name? And where are you from? And then people usually want to know where you live and maybe your age. Okay, let's start with that. So Paul says, Hi Jack, I'm great. I just finished my workout. When you meet someone new, it's always good to be polite and say, hi, say their name, say how you are. And if you have just met, you can just say, it's nice to meet you. And now Jack responds, nice to see you again. Paul, notice he didn't say, it's nice to meet you. He said, it's nice to see you again. Because they already know each other, this is a little bit more casual. Now Paul says, I'm actually on my way to get something to eat. In this case, he's telling Jack what he's doing right now. And when you talk about what you are doing right now, we use the present continuous tense. I am going, I am doing, I am eating. And the present continuous tense is formed with the present tense of to be plus the ing form of the verb. I am walking, you are playing, he is eating. Jack responded, oh really? Where are you going? Here, Jack is asking Paul where he is going. This is a very common question when you want to know the location. Paul answered, I'm going to a restaurant near here. Do you want to come with me? When you want to suggest something to someone, you can use the present continuous tense. I'm going to the store. Do you want to come with me? I'm getting something to eat. Do you want to come with me? And Jack responded, sure, I'd like that. To agree and be polite, you can say, that sounds good, or I'd like that. It means the same thing. When you talk about yourself, it's important to share a little bit about where you're from, where you live, and a little bit about your life. So let's talk about that now. So Paul said, I'm from a small city. This is a great way to begin talking about yourself. Just share your name, where you are from, and if you like, you can even tell them the size of the city. If you are from a small town or a big city, I'm from a small city. I'm from a big city. I'm from a village. Then Jack asked, where do you live? Notice he's asking Paul where he lives. To ask where someone lives, you can say, where do you live? That's a very easy way to ask. Paul answered, I live in a small apartment with my family. Here, Paul talks about where he lives. He shares that he lives in an apartment. We can also say house, and he lives with his family. There are many ways to answer the question, where do you live? But this is a good one. Then Jack asked, how old are you? One of the most difficult questions for many students is, how old are you? Many students don't know how to answer. So here, Paul answers, I'm 24 years old. Very simple. You can also say, I was born on, and then share your birthday. Both are good options. Then Jack asks, what do you do? When you meet someone new, they will often ask, what's your job? Or, what do you do? What do you do? Is a really common way to ask. Paul responded, I'm a teacher. And then Jack asked, are you studying? Now, if you are a student, Jack might ask, are you studying? So it's good to know both questions and how to answer them. Paul answered, no, I graduated last year. So those are some basic questions and answers to help you talk about yourself when you first meet someone. Of course, there are many more questions you could ask and answer, but this is a good start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to write your short introduction in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.